Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying who will read this description and what action you want them to take. State the goal in a single sentence. That focus guides every choice. Once done, list 3 non-negotiable facts: subject, benefit, and required action. Make sure to pick a tone that matches context, formal for reports, casual for social posts. You will save time later because every word will serve that purpose. Avoid vague opening lines and start composing with intention. Now you create the core, a strong lead that hooks and informs in 1 or 2 sentences. Follow with 3 supporting details that explain value, features, or evidence. Include numbers or concrete examples to increase credibility. Once done, check transitions so ideas flow logically. Use active voice and specific verbs to keep momentum. Make sure to trim redundancy and prefer short sentences where clarity matters, because readers scan and will drop off if you bury the main point. You finalize by crafting a concise closing, either a clear call to action or a 1-sentence summary that reinforces the benefit. Then edit ruthlessly. Cut filler, check grammar, align keywords with purpose, and verify length fits the platform. Once done, read aloud to catch awkward phrasing and adjust rhythm. If readers still seem confused, make sure to revisit audience assumptions and simplify language. A single troubleshooting tip is to ask one person from your target audience for feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.